Hello, Kia J here, back with another video. This one is going to be my SHEIN haul for traveling to Paris and London, coming up in a couple of months. And by that time, I will be in my third trimester. But also with traveling, I knew that I wanted to look chic and I didn't want it to look like a traveler, even though I'll be with a group of people. So my goal is to look chic, Parisian, fashionable, and comfortable. So I made a few purchases off of SHEIN. I knew I wanted to be able to wear jeans and stuff. So I knew I had to purchase some maternity jeans. So we're going in the springtime, which can be a little chilly and rainy. So I'm going to be layering. Let me just show you what I have. I did create a packing list. I have a handwritten packing list, which I am actually going to turn into a digital packing list on my phone. So this has like all of my clothes and shoes, then all of my toiletries, and I also have some outfit combinations. And at this time I had wrote down like things that I need, but I got everything I need, y'all. All right, so let's just go through it all. Some things I already had, so I'm going to show you what I purchased, and then I'll show you some things that I already had so that, you know, y'all can know what's going on. And I'm going to come back in another video and actually show you all how I pack. So it might be a little pre-packing, but my full video of like how I pack, what I packed, how I travel will be coming, because I'm still torn between like, do I want to bring a check bag and a carry-on, or do I just want to do a personal bag and a carry-on? I don't know how that's gonna go, because I know I do want to buy souvenirs, so I don't know yet, and just want to see how everything fits. I purchased this passport cover. This is my first time going overseas, so it has the wallet section inside, and then this portion actually shows your passport there, and it closes with a magnet. And I feel like, you know, red because I'm a Delta. Got these compression, still have some packaging. I got these compression packing cubes because I do have regular ones, but again, you know, I'm going somewhere overseas for 10 days and I need to bring some layering pieces because of the weather. So this was a set of 4. So we have like 2 larger sizes, and then these 3, like a medium and a small. So I'm going to be using these. I may have to also use my regular packing cubes for, depending on if I do just carry on and personal, or personal carry on and a check bag. I got this crossbody bag, and for me it just feels better to have my items like close to my chest. So, you know, I don't want nobody to try to take nothing from me while I'm traveling. And it has good space in it. And again, it looks chic, very chic. So we have some good space in here, enough to fit my phone, my passport, any other travel documents that I may need while I'm there. Of course, my wallet and, you know, hotel keys, stuff like that. This jacket is a rain jacket just in case it rains, and I want it like a neutral-ish color. This color is neutral to me, this army green. I don't know, I can't remember if I bought this, if it folds up. I need to check the description to see if it actually folds up, but I got this in a size, is it a large? I got it in an extra large because I have long arms. I haven't even tried it on yet. Oh, good. Oh yeah, this is good. It'll be nice and roomy, and my belly will be a little bit bigger. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. All right, woo. Okay, here's what we got. So I got this makeup brush travel case because you can just open it up and you can stand it up on your table or wherever you decide to do your makeup, and close it back, and the makeup brushes will lay in there. I thought that would just be easy and effective for me. And then I got a sunglass case because I do plan on bringing sunglasses. So it has a spot for 3 spaces where I can bring my sunglasses and even put my prescription glasses in here. Because I'll probably bring 2 pair. You know, these are my faves and my clear ones. I got a travel umbrella just in case it rains. Again, I can fit that in my canvas tote or in my little crossbody bag. So it comes in this cute little case. It has a cover. That's the umbrella there. I'm not superstitious, so I'm gonna open it. There we go. And the time we're supposed to be there, it usually is possible that it can rain. So I got my raincoat, I got my umbrella, and we are good to go. I got 2 pair of compression socks, yes. Because again, I am pregnant. So it's a long flight between 6 and 8 hours. So I got 2 pair, 1 for the flight there and 1 for the return flight. So I want to make sure I had those. I need to stretch these out. Remember how back in the day, our moms used to have us stretch their stockings? I need to stretch these out. So these are, you know, for my health. So my legs don't like get swollen and all that stuff. No blood clots. Don't want any issues. Literally, y'all, some of the stuff when I went on SHEIN said like Parisian style, and I was like, what? And I got inspiration for these outfits or these pieces from Pinterest. I like searched Parisian style and like how to pack for Paris and London, but mostly I'm focused on Paris because London seems like it's pretty chill. But I didn't want to look like a tourist and I wanted to be chic. So I got this striped sweater. And this is not maternity, and it is in a large, I believe, yes, 8 to 10. I just get a large in SHEIN because the mediums be disappointing me. Sometimes they fit and sometimes they don't. So I'd rather wear it be too big than too small. So white and black stripes, very Parisian style. And then I have this cream crop sweater. I wish it was actually a little bit longer, but I think it will be all right. Again, a layering piece to wear. So my goal is not to pack too much and just to rewear pieces in different ways like I do when I'm here at home. Then I did get 2 maternity pieces. This is in a large as well. This cream sweater is so soft. I got some straight leg medium wash maternity jeans. I think these are pretty okay. I might bring my belt for these because this piece, I didn't know this was like this. Because I had some different maternity jeans when I was pregnant with Harper. But they are distressed. But I also feel like if I don't want them to be maternity jeans, after maternity, I can take this part out or even tuck it in. And these are in a large. They actually are a little too big right now, but I know my belly is still growing. So I'd rather for them to be a little too big, and then I can always put a belt around the waist if I want. Black maternity jeans, because you know black is just chic. And these are a little different. They don't have the belted waistband like the other ones. And they're a little distressed at the top, but straight leg. Nice black jeans. I got t-shirts because layering. So we have it in tan, the same t-shirt. Some of these came in a pack, and all these are large. Tan, burgundy, black, gray, white, of course. I believe, so all these came in a pack, except for the tan one. I had to buy that one separately. And that is all the things that I bought for Paris specifically, or for my travels. There's some things that I already had. Shoes from Shoe Dazzle, or these are Just Fab, but I think they are together. And overseas they call them trainers. So I also have these trainers. These are from Shoe Dazzle. They give like the Alexander McQueen vibes, but they're also very comfortable, a little roomy. But again, my feet may be swollen. I'm also torn between bringing my Dunks. So if I bring my Dunks, I won't bring those other ones. These loafers, I have 2 pair. These tan loafers that I got from Shoe Dazzle as well, but they're Just Fab. And then these black loafers that are just fab as well. Again, very comfortable that I can walk around in them. I can show you all of the things that I already had that I'm planning on bringing, or tentatively, because you know I still have to edit. And that's why I like to pack early, because I can edit my packing. So I had this leather jacket already. This is from Shoe Dazzle, but just fab. This is in a medium. Again, another layering piece. It's lightweight, but it's still functional, fashionable, and chic. Jean jacket is on the list. Not quite sure if I will still bring this, but again, you can't go wrong with layering a jean jacket. And I have this dress, and I have it in 3 colors. And I think on my packing list, I do have the black one, but I'm like, I really don't have a lot of color. I might do a pop of color with the orange, but it's just a bodycon dress. They're from SHEIN. Oh, let me tell you where this is from. This dress is from SHEIN, and this is from Kalana Barfield Brown and her collaboration with the Future Collective and Target. And these 3 dresses are from SHEIN, all in a large. Very comfortable. I think I'll be able to walk around with them, and also I can layer them with other things. So I'm gonna have to decide which dress I want to bring. I feel like I have a lot of black, so and maybe between the brown and the orange. For my travel outfit, this green bodysuit on the plane. Again, I want to be comfortable, and again, layering. So this set has pants, and it has this long duster with it. And then I just would wear this bodysuit and either snap it or don't, because that's my prerogative. But I don't want to wear my travel airport outfit all around the city. So yeah, I'm definitely going to change. I don't care what anybody says. Layering pieces like this button up. Either this one, or I have another one that's a little more structured. This one is from Sign Blake and Amazon The Drop. It's in a small, and it's a little oversized, but again, this would be more of a layering piece. These leather pants that are Sign Blake and Amazon The Drop, I washed them, so they have like this weird little pattern on them, but they're stretchy, and they will still fit around my belly during that time. So just in case I don't want to wear those black jeans, I'm going to bring these as an option. I have this black bodysuit as well as this t-shirt one, but I'll probably bring this one because I have this in several colors, and I've worn it throughout my pregnancy, and it's just very comfortable. And again, this is a large from SHEIN. And then lastly, I had this leopard cardigan. Like, how cute would this be with the jeans, black t-shirt, sneakers, or loafers? Like, simple, chic, but still cute, and a red lip. Baby, I love me a red lip. So I could pack all of these things. We're gonna be gone for 10 days. So I think I could pack everything and still be fine. But I also want to narrow it down and not do too much, especially if I do a check bag. So that is my haul. I promise you all I'm going to come back with my packing video, and the packing video will probably be like an outfit, like try on, like putting outfits together, because I have a list. So this handwritten list was my first one, and I have a second one that I kind of refined down, but probably by the time you see me, I'll have it in the digital form. So again, I got my inspiration from Pinterest, searching and looking at different images and ideas to pack. And once I get closer and I know the weather and I know our exact itinerary, then I will be able to refine my packing even more, and I'll be able to show you all like exactly what I'm packing for traveling, changing from day to day, pajamas, toiletries, all that jazz. And then by that point, you all will know if I'm going to bring 3 bags or 2 bags. But that is the plan, and that is the goal. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Be on the lookout for the next part of this travel series, and I will see you all in the next one. I'm so excited. My first trip overseas. I've traveled out the country on my first trip overseas, and I hope I can take you all along with me. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can go on this journey with me. And again, I will see you all in the next one. Again and again. I'm Kia J. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.